Okay, thank you very much. And now welcome to the class, to this session to develop a business model canvas. And a business model canvas is a powerful tool that shows the structural design of your business. And it entails 9 components. And the first one is the value creation, the value proposition. And the value proposition actually give the details of the value your business will deliver to the customers. And also the key partners that it gives the people or the companies that will partner with your business. For example, the key suppliers, the key consumers, but also the key activities of your business. This is the core. First, before you start, it means you have to identify the key activities that your business will perform to deliver the value. The customer relationship, how to keep in touch with the customers so that they can be permanently relate with your business. The customer segment, that this involve the segmentation of customers, because they have different needs. They are group that they have common needs. For example, if you are dealing with the agri-tech company, you could specify that you will focus on the small scale farmers, on the medium or large scale farmers. It depends on your capacity, but also the key resources, because any business need resource so that to run or to go on or to deliver services. The key channels actually entails the means for delivering the service, or the communication means, how the value will be delivered to customers. The cost structure, and any business actually need, because it needs resources, it needs activities, it entails some costs. And this cost actually, it involves some many components, of which when you are developing a business model, you need to highlight, you need to list them down so that you can know which part money will be going out of your business. Then another one is revenue stream, and this mostly describe how your business will make money. Yeah, this is the core part. So it means there are some mechanisms that need to be devised so that the business can create money, because this money are the one that will support on another activities. So today we are going to develop a business model. As I say, that think about any tech-based business, basically in Tanzania. Then from there, identify any problem that you need to solve using this agri-tech business, or use this tech-based business. Then from there, you analyze the key activities and the value proposition that develop the business model canvas. And I could say that the business model canvas is not a business plan. And this business model is developed or established through interaction with a customer. This is not an execution plan of your business, but is rather a structural design of what is needed and how you can achieve or you can deliver the value to customers. So this is different from the business plan. Business plan, we are going to see it later. So today, as I said, think of any application scenario in Tanzania, agri-tech business in Tanzania. So in this session, we are going to use one agri-tech. Let me call it 2M PJ agritech, agritech.co.ltd. Then this is a name of a startup company that deliver agribusiness products and mostly focus on agribusiness. Designed, you can give any name, maybe John. It is designed by John. All right. And the date, maybe let's put today's date that it is 1, 2. All right. And probably we have the version, let's say this is version 1, because you will improve this business model as you go along, because the customer will give some feedback. Then from that feedback, you continue to improve. So this is not a one-time. This can involve as the need arises. So for this agritech business, we expect that this to be online and the cloud-based platform to distribute the agritech product. Then we start by the key activities. First of all, you need to identify the key activities that this business will deliver. For example, let's say this maybe will be selling agribusiness products, online. That is one activity. Then the second one, it means this maybe it will be like the wholesale or the middleman. So another things maybe, let's say, it will provide consultancy services, and another things you will write them there. So this is the key activities of the business. Now, having known the key activities of the business, then you need to explain what are the value proposition of your business. Because they will say it need to sell the agribusiness product online. Then first, the value, it means this is what unique things that this business will add for customer to enjoy the business, or that will attract more customers. Then the first thing we could think of developing the mobile application, the mobile app. And this mobile app actually will enable everywhere mobile app for anywhere and anytime accessibility of services. So that could be one of the value. Then the second value, this one, because we need our business to be sustainable, and if we deploy on a mobile application, it means we need infrastructures. So we could say maybe our platform will provide the cloud-based platform that will enable will enable most of the product to be hosted on the cloud, and they can be accessible by any customer anywhere. But also this one actually, because it is an agritech company, we could say that it can minimize, it will minimize the, let's say, it will minimize the cost, or we can call it cost efficient tracking mechanism. Cost efficient customer tracking system. cost-efficient customer tracking to minimize the to minimize the overhead, to minimize the overhead, the overhead during customer analysis and other things like that. But also we could say this will be sustainable, and reliable. It means the services are available all the time, and you can add as many value as possible. So these are a unique value that you think the business will provide. But also for customer relationship, you need to explain on how you will keep in touch with the customer. How will the business relate with the customer? So in this business, we could think about provide customized login or sign up. Yes, or sign up, so that we can keep track of our customers. By the first time that they buy our product, you allow them to sign up, so that we have you have the record of this customer. But also because this will comprise of huge amount of products, then another thing that will add value to keep in touch with customers, then you can provide search facilities, so that they can easily locate the product that they want. But also another, we could think about communication. Communication growth, so that you can keep the customer updated most of the time. But also you can think about the forum. It's one of the things that will keep a customer relationship, and also the newsletters, and what is maybe mobile applications, also mobile apps, and also subscription, and others. Then this also will show the customer relationship, and there are many ways, so it depends on the choice. Also, another thing is the customer segmentation. Then customer segmentation, actually this is the way to group the customer based on the buying behavior, or based on the search behavior. And in this, you can employ the powerful machine learning technology to know or to predict the needs of the customers based on the search behavior. So first of all, we could think about we say maybe our intention is to reach more than 100 agribusiness companies. Yes, agribusiness companies. Let's say in Tanzania. You see, in Tanzania. So actually, we aim to identify more than 100 business companies that you will work with them, so that we can know what they are doing and what value this company will add to them, because this is will be linking with small agribusiness companies. But also you could think of the agritech importers. they could be one of the segments, so that we can know what service we can offer or what product we can offer. Also the suppliers as well, the managers maybe for hotels or big hotels, restaurants, and other things like that. And we could think on other aspect on the agricultural market, because this is all about agribusiness company. So we could say agricultural markets, and yes, agribusiness, agricultural products. Actually, this must be products, agricultural products, agricultural products markets. So these are some. And you can mention as many as possible. Then, what are the key partners? Now, here you just highlight what partner that they are key into your business. For example, because this will be the cloud-based, we expect to have the cloud, maybe the cloud service provider, what is another thing is for cloud service provider, it can be such as Google, Amazon, or any other cloud-based service. And another, because this will need internet, and will probably leverage the opportunity brought by smart mobile computing, then it will need to partner with the mobile network operators, or the internet service provider, such as Zantel, TTCL. What else? Vodacom, and others. And probably maybe now you could think, maybe you could say you need to partner with at least 5 giant leading agri-tech companies in Tanzania, agri-tech companies in Tanzania, or worldwide, possible, or worldwide. So you can identify these companies, then you make normal procedures for engagement, and then later you can be able to partner with them. But also you can partner with hotels and agribusiness companies, and yes, hotels and others. So this is how you can identify. Now, for key resources, you identify based on the type of your technology-based business. For example, for this one, we will need servers, we will need ICT infrastructure. So maybe the key resources first, it will mostly focus on the system infrastructure, such as web server, such as web servers, okay, web servers, and other maybe, because this is a business, we could say we will need to procure the AI AI and business analytics. We will need to procure maybe AI and business analytics system and business analytics system and business analytics system. Okay, systems, but also we could need something like a customer relationship management software, so that we can be able to track our customer relationship management customer relationship management software. This will enable you to be able to track to management software, so that you can be able to track your customers. But also you might need the cloud services, etc. And the communication channel, actually, the first one is this is almost, we say, communication channel or distribution channel, distribution channels, of which the first one could be the online transaction. We will do the online transaction, and also you could think about online service delivery, and others. That's so this is, you can identify as many as possible based on your business. So now let's look into the cost structure, because we are developing an intelligent system. So first, on the cost structure, we'll think on the cost for developing the software, right? So we say the platform development and management. Yes, this could be one, because this will need money. But also we could think about the Google service payment, the Google service payment, because this is not free. So, but the model, just you pay per use. You use the service and you pay per that service. So we will need some amount there. Then later we see the revenue stream. What are the things that will bring money into your business? So for one, it could be maybe, because this is online, you could say through customer subscription. Through customer subscription, that could be one. But also payment of advertisement, because for advertisements, people, they will need to pay. So we could say through advertisement fee, etc., and many others as they could. So you find that you have a one-page description of your business, and it is really easy to follow, and it is self-explanatory business model. So this is how we develop, and then you can follow with some formattings Yeah. Then this is how we can make it. So a few minutes, then we format our business model. Yep. This is how we make it. So this is how we can develop a business model. And now the task ahead of us is to think about any business scenario that is suitable in our environment. And from there, let us develop a suitable business model for our business. So for that case now, this is a takeaway that think about any existing or startup business, identify the problem that you need to solve, and the business must be hosted or they're about to start in Tanzania, and it should be the tech-based entrepreneurship. Then develop a business model for your business. Then you can revive, and this business model is not one time. It can be modified most of the time. It can be modified as needs from the market arises, as feedback, as you receive feedback from customers. So thank you for listening, and welcome for the next session.